Hey guys, it's me Ren. I'm back with another video reaction, and today we're going to be reacting to something simple. Today we're going to be reacting to muda 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 aura 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 aura. Sorry if I get those words wrong, but yeah, let's just get into this. That was basically Vegeta's reaction. What the fuck? Jesus. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. I knew that was gonna happen. I heard the music playing in the background. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you did, I'll see you guys. Sub to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.